Here we go on the new GTC 505. Look at that beautiful picture of a good ignition signal. Notice we're just putting the wand over the coil. And look at this one. No burn time. So on this Toyota, that's our misfire problem.